Good morning. For breakfast, I'm gonna make a folded wrap that contains over 30 grams of protein. I'm making breakfast also for Aaron, so I'm adding 4 eggs into a blender with low-fat cottage cheese. And a pinch of salt and pepper. I pour half of the mixture into a greased pan. Then I add a tortilla on top. I'm using gluten-free oat tortillas. I add a lid on top and let it cook for about 3 minutes on medium heat. When the egg mixture looks cooked, I flip it over and let it cook for a couple more minutes. I fill the wrap with pesto, sliced tomato, arugula, and feta. Then I just fold the wrap. Such a tasty breakfast, and it's packed with protein. Now I'm heading to the grocery store because I need to get some ingredients for short form videos that I'm filming today and tomorrow. So I got all those berries because I'm about to film a mixed berry popsicle recipe video. For lunch, I'm gonna try to recreate the Tunacado Sandwich from Joe & Choose that has gone viral on social media. Then I make the tuna mixture. I add tuna, chopped spring onions, dill, a little bit of light mayo. I replaced part of the mayo with Greek yogurt to make it lighter. Then I add Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and chopped jalapeno. Then I toast the bread. I didn't find the same kind of gluten-free bread they have at Joe & Choose, and I don't have a panini grill either, so I had to toast the breads on a pan and flatten them with a pot. But it worked out very well. The breads got nice and crispy. Next, I just fill the sandwiches. I add pesto to the bottom. Then in the tuna mixture. Some avocado, a sliced tomato, and lastly, some jalapeno. Let me know in the comments which copycat recipe should I create next. Do you want to see another Joe & Choose sandwich recreation or something else? Here is the ready sandwich. It looks so good. Can't wait to try it out. It turned out really tasty. Even Aaron liked it, and he's not the biggest fan of tuna. I just did a workout. We first went to the gym and now we've been walking for about an hour. But now I'm gonna take an electrolyte drink. I'm using Element's electrolyte drink mix. I just mix one stick pack with a bottle of water. My favorite flavor is the citrus salt. It's so refreshing. Each stick pack delivers a dose of electrolytes free of sugar and artificial colors. Element has helped me stay hydrated in this hot weather. Element contains a science-backed ratio of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. I've had less muscle cramps, and I've also slept better because of the magnesium it contains. Get your free Element sample pack with any purchase at drinklmnt.com/Selma. The sample pack includes one of each flavor to help you find your favorite. They also have a no questions asked refund policy. Thank you so much, Element, for sponsoring today's video. For a post-workout snack, I'm making a yogurt bowl. I'm using low-fat Greek yogurt in this. I top it with lots of berries and homemade granola. I also drizzle some honey on top. Such a perfect snack. For dinner, we're going to make burrito bowls like Chipotle copycat. I marinated the chicken in garlic-infused olive oil, paprika spice, oregano, ground cumin, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. I cooked them for about 4 minutes on each side. Then I cooked the rice with bay leaves. I add some lime juice to the cooked rice as well as chopped cilantro and a pinch of salt. Next, I make the guacamole. First, I mash an avocado. Then I add some lemon juice, salt, pepper, a chopped jalapeno, and chopped cilantro. You could also add some onion. Unfortunately, I can't eat onions because they give me horrible IBS symptoms. Then I just build the bowls. For dessert, we're having those mixed berry popsicles that I made earlier today. These popsicles are so refreshing and yummy, and you only need 4 ingredients to make them. Those were all the meals I had today. I really hope you liked this video, and if so, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. The written recipes are in the description box as always. Enjoy!